Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Halo campaign evolve game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. Fix 1 is to restart your PS5. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires. Wait for few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if problem solved or not. Fix 2, restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Halo campaign evolve game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So first of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database and then select OK. Now launch the Halo campaign evolve game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note over here. Make sure to back up this save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. So now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage delete. Select Halo campaign evolve game, then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And once you log in, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network, settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual, and in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1, then hit on OK and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you're using a SSD in the expansion slot on a PS5, then reinstall or transfer the game to SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Halo campaign evolve game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.